Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So recently I posted the palm nut soup that is made with herbs and everybody was asking me how it's made. So today I'm going to show you how they really make it. My mother-in-law is going to make some, so I'm going to show you guys how we make it. So this one here is the abe. This is the abe, which is the palm nuts. And then this is called corn suswa. It's turkey berries. If you can check on the internet, you'll see what they call turkey berries. And then these ones are herbs. These are herbs from the forest. That's why it's called abedro. Abe is the palm nut, and then the draw is the medicine. If I'm pronouncing it wrongly, please forgive me because I'm not Ghanaian. But this is how I'm told it's called abedro. The draw is the medicine. The palm nut, the turkey berries. So she has pounded some already, and this is how it looks like. So I think she's boiling some water. She's going to pour it to extract the oil out of it. So she's adding the herbs. She's going to pound the herbs also. So she's beginning to pound it, and after pounding it, it will look exactly like this. Mama, this water, are you going to throw? You're going to put it here. Ah, okay. You're not going to waste it. You're going to use it. Okay, Mate. Ah, okay. Mama, am I doing it correctly? Yeah. Okay. So Mama told me that when you give birth, you take this one, you eat this one with fufu, because of the medicine of the herbs that are inside. They'll help to give you breast milk, right, Mama? Okay. Okay. So I'm turning my mother-in-law into a videographer. This is so tiresome. This thing is very heavy. Abeoma. It's called a pistil in English. Abeoma. Okay, Mama. So, Mama, you're done. You finish? Okay. So we are going to start sieving this one. She's extracting the oil out of the palm nut that we have already finished pounding. So she adds some hot water. It's not too much hot. She says it shouldn't be so much hot because it can burn your hand since you're using your hand. Okay. She adds some of the cold water and then the hot water. So the purpose of doing this is to extract the oil out of the palm nuts, and then also to get the herbs mixed together with the oil. So Mama, will you throw this one? You will do it again. You will wash it again. Mama. She's going to pour the palm nut that we have pounded into the sieve. She's sieving it. To get out the fine. So you see here we are remaining with only the palm nut seeds. Mama, what do you use this one for? What do you use this for? Ajwe. That's how we call it. And what do you use it for? You throw. You can take oil out of this. Okay. So she said you can take. Mama. You can use it to wash yourself. Okay. So Mama is saying that we use this one to make soap. So this is the remaining of the palm nut. This is inside the palm nut. So you can use this one to make soap, right, Mama? Okay. The black soap. Oh, so the black soap comes from the palm nut, or from the palm nuts. Guys, the palm nut is a very, very important. It's a very, very good plant, and it's very, very important. So you can get black soap out of it, and you can get oil out of it, and now we are using it to make soup. So this is very. Let me try it and see. Now can I take it? Hey, it's very hard though. That is very, very nice. So we have already finished extracting the oil out of the palm nut, and now we are going to. Oh, it's hot. So we are adding it to the meat that we were steaming previously. So this is going to be the soup, right? Okay. Wow, it already looks so good. There is no oil, there is nothing, but see how good it looks like. Wow. And it smells so good. So I'm filming and Ajwa is already at work, so let me go and get her. We have to do this.
So when I went to check on Ajwa, Mama continued cooking, and she put some tomatoes and some hot pepper, some chili inside the soup. She boiled it together with the meat and the bedroll that we were boiling. So now she's taking it out. She's going to blend it and then pour it back into the soup.
This is the finished abedro, and we are going to eat it with the fufu. Mama made some fufu. Yeah. So this is the abedro and fufu. The fufu is down there. I think you can see it. That's what I'm going to eat it with. Yeah. So this is the fufu. This is the fufu inside. It's very, very nice. Thank you guys for sticking by to watch my video. Let me hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. And if you are my returning subscriber, you really, really mean a lot to me, and I really appreciate your time to come by and watch my video. Feel free to comment in the comment section below and let me know, what do they prepare for somebody who has just given birth in your country. In Ghana, this is what they do. Yeah, in Ghana, this is what they do. They do that bedroll and fufu, and it is good for breast milk. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time, bye. Mwah.